Hello, Adells is back. Don't forget to like and comment. Today we have an unusual breast pump lesson. We are outdoors, in the fresh air. Enjoy nature, friends. Using a manual pump doesn't always have to be rushed or mechanical. Sometimes, a quiet place like this, with the sound of leaves or birds in the background, can change the whole experience. It's not just about the steps. It's about how you feel while doing it. Now prepare your hands. Clean wipes or a little bottle of water and soap can do the trick if you're outside. Take your time. This isn't a chore. It's a moment of care, both for you and the process ahead. When you're ready, place the pump gently. Out here, under open sky, it might feel more natural to move slowly, to breathe deeper. Begin with light, steady squeezes. No force, no tension, just rhythm. If you feel distracted, tune into the sounds around you. The wind, a bird call, distant rustling. Let it soothe your mind and help your body relax. Sometimes, calm brings better flow than effort ever could. Thanks for joining me here at Adells. If this peaceful setting helped you feel more at ease, tap like, subscribe, and come back whenever you need another quiet moment. You're doing beautifully.